Hello, my name is Sam V. Kumar. I'm the founder and CEO of NewCloud Networks. We are a global cloud computing and cloud communications company. Veeam is designed for enterprise customers. Veeam has penetrated 80% of the Fortune 500 companies. We get tremendous help from Veeam. Veeam is our go-to partner for backup and disaster recovery.
Hi, my name's Robert Denson. I'm the Chief Information Officer for CORHIO, which is the Colorado Regional Health Information Organization. You know, we're a digital media company. We facilitate the information exchange for healthcare data in the state of Colorado. We have 5.6 million patients records within our repositories. The last report I had was 52 terabytes of data, and we're growing at about 1.5 terabytes of data a month. Yes, this adds up fast. Our main goal is to facilitate the exchange of healthcare data, and I want my teams focused on that and let the experts focus on the things that they're good at. So NewCloud's good at data center operations. Veeam is great at backing up our data and making it available when we need it. So that's where they're helping us.
We must have saved more than 80% because we are using Veeam today compared to tape. The productivity has gone through the roof. Our customers are happy. And more than anything, if a customer gives us an order at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, they could be backing up by 5:30 p.m. On the same day. That never, ever, ever happened before.
You know, our partnership with NewCloud and Veeam has been essential to our maturity as we continue to grow as a company. You know, they're able to provide us a lot of technical expertise that we just don't have in-house. And being able to leverage that, it lets my team focus on the things that they're good at, which is healthcare interoperability.
We are very grateful for the support that Veeam gives us. You are the best partner we have ever had in our 30 years of existence. All the other vendors are always looking for business from us. Veeam is the only one that comes to us and say, what can we do for you? They give us a ton of leads, so we absolutely love working with Veeam.